Hey, name's Matt. Welcome to the channel.
Alright, which way am I gonna go? Oh my god, this road. Oh, oh. What is up with the construction on this road? What is that? What did they do to this road? Holy cow! Oh my god. Alright, here we go. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, I like that bump even less. Oh. Oh, good, more. Alright, jeez. I'm not entirely sure where I am. I just know that I'm heading west by northwest at the moment. I'm about to be heading directly west. Oh, sorry, southwest is where I was heading. Huh? That's where this road leads me? Oh. 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 Huh. Neat. I know it says no trespassing, but that looks like a fun little place to try to go off-road if it weren't so muddy. This bike's done okay on some gravel roads. Well, you know what? I better put off going off-road very much until I get the skid plate and radiator guard. Because things can go very badly, very fast. If I just get like one rock or stick through the radiator. Don't do it. Thank you. Keep things nice and simple. He goes left, I go right. He goes right, I go left. Oh no! Oh no, it's a no-win situation. I go left, I'll be stuck behind them. I go right, I'm stuck behind him. Oh no! Oh man. Why are we hitting the brakes? Is it because they're checking their mail? I think it's because they were checking their mail. What's up? I'm not the man they think I am at home. Oh no, no, no. I'm a rocket man.
Everybody now!
Rocket man, I can never sing this part right. I wonder if they saw me while I was coming up, or if they only saw me after I passed. That's concerning. That didn't look right. I'm gonna wait. Okay, or use your signal at the last second. Where am I going right now? Oh, now I remember. Don't do it. Thank you. You gonna stop? No, you're gonna cut right in front of me. Well, lady, at least one of us is paying attention today. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Do I want to be a good guy or a jerk? I want to be a jerk.
You're crazy!
In and out before anyone can complain.
No, don't do it. You're gonna wait your turn. Thank you.